You're kidding. All we're gonna do is just tighten it down. Not what you're supposed to do. Let's see if it works. This thing's gonna break next, I can guarantee you. There we go. Look at that. No movement. Put that back together, rip this thing off. What is it? Righty loosey, lefty tighty, something like that?
Something like that.
Yeah. That could have gone there. That just happened. So pretty much the first minute of driving it, I ended up breaking it again. You're kidding. It's it, you know, that link that keeps breaking. Sometimes I wonder why it keeps breaking. Yeah, that's a, you know, a pretty crappy repair on my part. Don't do this, everyone. I'll explain exactly what this is. So it's a thin piece of plastic, and then there's the original. And just stuck the screw in this giant washer and just kind of crossed my fingers to see if they'd hold together. And yeah, did they hold together? No, they didn't. So I'm sure the wheel bearing didn't like that driving. That was kind of intense, those donuts. Even though I did have a lot of fun. Yeah, but I was hoping to get a little more running in. We still have a half a tank in. I probably got to check that wheel bearing. That wheel bearing's probably toast after all those, you know, turning and all that stuff. Oh yeah, and the body. Look at this. Yeah. That was from the jump. I didn't land it. Check it out, guys. We got a new subscriber. Mr. Beetle. He's trying to bite me. Yeah, so I'll wrap it up here. I hope you enjoyed that video. And I'd just like to thank you so much for all the support you've been giving to the channel. I know I haven't been as active as I used to be, but I'll start picking up pace on the channel and really pumping out videos for you guys. This video kind of sucked, I'll admit it. We still got half a tank in it. You know, the tank's supposed to be empty. But again, though, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Actually, shout out to the HelLST for giving us that encore. Had a sprained ankle and I was still keeping up. So that'll be all for me, and I'll see you later.